Commandment number 4, arrive early. Let's go! So who benefits most when you arrive early? It's not the club owner, it's not the promoter, it's not the crowd, it's not the staff, it's you! So let's say you're going to a party and there's a hit of the week. I don't know which song, just a regular song, but it's the hit of the week. And you're going to the party, having a good time, and I don't know, it's 12 o'clock and that DJ that's playing right now is playing your party or the hit of the week. Everybody in the club, yay! It's the new something something song. Okay, cool. An hour later, another DJ comes in. 1 o'clock, new DJ, yeah! And suddenly, he's playing that same song, the hit of the week. Oh yeah, cool. Second time this night, yay! The DJ leaves, another DJ comes. 3 o'clock, yeah, another DJ, yeah! And he's playing the same song. So within 3 hours, you heard that same song 3 times. It's getting a bit stale now. But okay, let's hope for the best. 4 o'clock. Another DJ comes. And what is he doing? Playing that same song. So you're hearing that same song 4 times in one night. And that's not even the worst scenario. Let's say you're at a party and the DJ has been playing, I don't know, R&B. And now he is playing house music. But he's been playing house music for a long time. The crowd wants to hear R&B now. Suddenly a DJ comes in and he sees, oh, the DJ is playing house music. That means I have to play house music as well. But he doesn't know that the crowd is already tired of that house music. So he goes to the booth, takes over, and what does he do? Starts playing house music. And then the crowd gets bored, they're going to the bar, getting something to drink, because they've been listening to house music for the last hour already, they're tired of it, so now the dance floor is empty. And if the second DJ asks the first DJ, yo, what have you been playing the whole night? What should I do next? Do you really think that first DJ is going to be fair to the second DJ? He doesn't care about that guy, he wants that guy to fail, so he looks best. If the second DJ is going to ask the first DJ, how long have you been playing house music? The first DJ is going to say, maybe 5 minutes, maybe this. He's going to say this is the first song. So the second DJ would think, oh, okay, so I can continue playing house music. And the first DJ got the devil ears like, You know what the first DJ is going to do? He's going to leave and wait at the front door. He's going to observe you and the crowd. And when he sees that the crowd is getting annoyed and leaving the dance floor, then he is satisfied and he leaves with a big smile. And that's why commandment number 4 is arrive early. You will do yourself a big favor if you arrive at least a half hour early, because then you can walk around, observe the crowd, see what the DJ is doing, how the crowd is reacting, and you can get inside the vibe, you can get into the groove, And when you have to take over, you know exactly what to do. Also remember, commandment number 7 involves staff. If you're early, you have time to do that. Yo, promoter, how you doing, man? Yo, club owner, how are you? Yeah. Yo, barkeeper, remember me from last time? Yeah. Remember the song I played for you? Yeah, you know. Hey, crowd. Hey, other crowd. How you doing? You want a picture? Yo, ching. Be a crowd pleaser, remember? If you're early, you have time to do that. So now, before you even start DJing, people already like you. You're already getting the benefit of the doubt. So don't be on time, be early, do your rounds, be a people pleaser. Commandment number 4. Peace out.